Hi, my name is Eric Larson. I'm the Vice President of Sales for Semco. I also am in the current role as President of the SFIA. And I wanted to speak a little bit today about some of the benefits of being a member of the SFIA. The very first and most important thing is the code compliance program. Every one of our structural and non-structural products is labeled with the certified SFIA label that tells the customer and the building owner and the architect that our products have gone through a very rigorous inspection program, making sure that they're structurally what they're supposed to be, and also that they've been tested for shape and conformance in dimension. Steel framing has got so many inherent benefits over other types of construction. It's non-combustible, which is the number one thing. It's also dimensionally stable, meaning every piece is exactly the same as the previous piece and the next piece. It's resistant to mold and mildew and vermin. Just got a whole bunch of inherent benefits over other types of building materials.